The service engine soon light is on in this 2009 Chevrolet Equinox, and it has the P0406 code, which is the EGR valve receiving too high a voltage. So I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step on how to replace the EGR valve and get your vehicle back on the road. Now this is a fairly easy process, and the EGR valve is right here. So you do have a tube here we need to disconnect. You have a clip right here. So give yourself about 30 minutes to get this job complete. The first thing we need to do is remove the oil cap and the engine cover. The oil cap, go ahead and set that aside. And now we need to remove this electrical connector from the EGR valve. There's a little tab here on the back side. You're going to push down, and I like to pull and push at the same time. These are kind of delicate, especially if you're working on a car that's 20 years old. I'm pushing down on the tab, pulling, and I'm going to push at the same time to make sure I don't damage this connector. Now you can simply just lift straight up to remove the engine cover. And now we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt right here, and that's going to be a 10mm socket. Get too far, I'm going to put the oil cap back on just to make sure that nothing falls down in the engine. Removed, simply just pull back a little bit to break that free from the EGR valve. And now we need to remove the two 10mm bolts on the either side of the EGR valve. And once you've taken out the second bolt, the EGR valve will lift right out of place. It's inserted, sticking out just a little bit with the gasket to help me line it up. And then we'll go ahead, line it all up, thread the bolts in. Snug, I'm just going to go about a half turn past snug. Basically popped right into place. All I have to do is reinstall this bolt right here. Oil cap and put the engine cover back on. So once you get it lined up, you just push down and you'll feel it snap into place. Back on. In our wire harness. Once you hear it snap into place, this project is complete. Test drive the car for about 10 minutes and your service engine soon light should go out. If you have an engine code reader, you can go ahead and erase the code and start driving the vehicle. Engine light is out. Now congratulate yourself on saving some time and money. You didn't have to take it to a mechanic, and you probably got it done in under half an hour. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.